These Royal Doulton Wilton D6226 dessert plates, absolutely gorgeous. 8.5 inch rim diameter with this irregular scalloped rim, as you can see, indents almost and then almost bulbous in part. Lovely things, really well conserved. The glaze on these is in superb condition. There's a little occasional scratch mark on these, but these are dating from 1940s, 1950s, so you can't expect them to be absolutely perfect. Coming up to almost 80 years old in most part. Nice Royal Doulton D6226 green line and orb marks with the rationing coupon A symbol to the left indicate these were late 1940s, early 1950s production. And it's just lovely. Little bit of wear just on the gilt around the rims, as you'd expect. Cream background colour just sets this beautiful pattern off with this sort of autumnal leaf coloration with purples, golds, gilts and bronzes in there, and then the pink bramble flower. Little bit of artistic license used by the decorators on this design, because you'd never normally get those two simultaneously, but it works. And Wilton was a very popular design made over a very long period of time by Royal Doulton, so this one always proves very, very popular in the replacement market. We've got quite a big collection that we're working our way through, including some fantastic platters I'm about to video and list. But it's the dessert plates, side plates, teawares, dinner sets that are really popular, and we've got quite a good collection on catalogue at the moment for sale, so do have a browse through on the website. Description link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. Do have a look through there, and do an internal web search on the search term Wilton to have a look through the catalogue as it stands currently. Thanks for watching.